Okay, today I want to get you guys familiar with the standards in PE, and there are national PE standards and there are state standards. So I'm going to list two links. These are the national standards. There's 5 of them. And then I'm going to give you the link for the state standards. It's right here. So you're going to have to find middle school, grades 6 through 8, which is on page 25. So all you're going to have to do is scroll down and find middle school. And it'll start right here. As you can see, standard 1 is up top. So all of the national standards are listed up top here. And then you have what you call indicators listed below. Standards just mean these are all of the things that you should learn and what you should be able to do in PE as a middle school age student. So today is simple. I have a Google Doc, so you're going to list one of the national standards below. So again, that means you're going to pick one of the national standards, which is going to be at the top, and it'll say standard 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, so list one of those, choose one, and then you are going to list 2 indicators for that standard. So that's going to mean you're going to pick your national standard, and then you're going to go under where the indicators are and list 2 of those that go with that one standard. This is just to get you familiar with what you're supposed to be doing as a middle school student. So just read through them if you want and kind of get a understanding of what each of them means. And then of course when you're done, just submit your Google Doc. And then of course you need to take attendance as well. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I'm going to create some fun lessons for next week, and I hope everybody has a good weekend.